we've been married 6, 7 years, and we've never had a
6 or 7
word between us.
6 or 7.
You believe
Until
it?
now.
6 or 7.
6 or 7.
67.
You believe that? I'll tell you
believe
another.
that.
90 in March.
Well, we need to walk along the.
I
Well,
turned
go ahead.
57.
I'm going to be getting my
You
camera out.
changed your. Is that the
Sure
same
you
one?
are.
Yeah, I guess it is.
Oh, it's important.
I thought you had a blue trim, and I guess that does have a blue trim.
That's about as blue as it gets.
Boy, you got
So,
your money tied up in these two.
Boy, that's an impressive looking piece of merchandise. Boy, I tell you,
Benny, get over there next to mine.
I like your beard.
There you go. There's plenty of fleas hidden that thing.
I gotta get Tammy,
You want Henry in there?
and that's Brian, and there's old Betty. Betty, you look like you're the president of the club
Pretty much.
with that mustache and beard.
All right, close in.
Close in.
Yeah, you're on the candid camera now.
He
on
wants a
in,
picture of
Tammy.
y'all.
I don't know if you're going to see me in this shirt.
Don't worry.
I don't know if it's going to be able to get me and Jack both in that thing.
I know it.
Well, looks like a pretty good motorcycle crew there.
Yeah.
I don't see any leather jackets anywhere.
No, it's,
I thought that was mandated.
can't, no.
No,
We're
No.
in other folks' territory, so we don't wear anything.
to show
club
where we're
patches,
from.
that's right.
Well, I'll tell you what, folks. Yeah, I got it. Take off. I got this. How about that? Got a reverse on that dude. Du vet, det var dubbelrunner, det är